Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about Sunday reset. It is January 25th and it is cold. It is cold outside. We're not leaving. Well, we have to take the dog out, of course, but we're not leaving the house at all. All we're going to be doing is getting our home in order. I do have two daughters that you can hear giggling in the back. So a lot of the cleaning up is going to be repetitive because they're going to be following right behind me every step of the way, getting busy doing whatever they like to do. So honestly, today's video is just going to entail me tackling the laundry. We are going to probably scrub some toilets. We're going to get down and dirty. I've got to do a lot of vacuuming. Just stay tuned and see what we do. First load of laundry is in, and it's towels.
Hi.
I have four other piles, and I did want to do the bedding as well, but that's a lot of laundry. And I don't know if I'm already winded from this, and this is towels. So let's keep moving. So the Seahawk game is about to start, so I'm gonna watch that and relax. My kids are taking a nap right now. Everything's pretty clean. I'm waiting on some laundry to finish up in the dryer. I'll fold that on camera, but for the most part, we did a lot of stuff. I was moving. But yeah, for the rest of the evening, I'm probably just gonna finish tidying up, get a couple things done, and I think it'll be pretty much it. I think I'm gonna be doing laundry up until I go to bed, so. I think I'm kind of low-key ready for a nap too. The girls are taking a nap and I think I want to take one, so I just might do that. All right, YouTube, it is so late. I'm really tired. I did so much laundry. I have not gotten to the whites yet. I have one load in the dryer right now, and that's my own stuff, and I need to get that situated because I got work tomorrow. I really don't know what the rest of the night has in store. I know I need to take a shower. I need to relax. I'm tired. I would love to make some food just so I have something to eat for work tomorrow, but I just don't realistically see myself doing that. It is so exhausting doing laundry. Like, it kind of takes it's an all-day thing. Like, it's all day in this house and it's like non-stop. As I'm washing laundry, people are literally adding stuff into their hamper because that's the household. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. I think I'm just going to unwind, try to relax, get ready for my next week. Not me like yawning excessively. I'm already ready to lay down. I'm in the bed. Oh.
Mama, want to make waffles?
I'm not making waffles. I made you pizza. That's my life. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep right here. Thanks for spending this Sunday with me, and I hope you guys felt motivated to just get up and clean something.